Hello, my name is Charlene Shriver of the Rainbow Frequency, and today I'm going to give you a mini energy balancing treatment. My intention is to help you in your highest good in a way that delights your mind, body, and spirit. We're going to start by using the Balance Oil by doTERRA. Breathe in through your nose, hold it momentarily, and then exhale. Nobody wants nor needs you at this time. Now imagine growing roots that start at your hips. They go down your thighs, knees, calves and shins, down your ankles and feet, through any and all surfaces, down into the earth, through the soil, sand, shale and stone, into the crystalline pools where they interlock with the tree coral and attach to the crystalline grid. They then go down deeper still, intertwining, forming a cord that wraps around the core of Mother Earth. We draw all these healing and restorative properties up your root system, opening and activating your chakra system. You then grow upward, your abdomen, torso, and chest forming the trunk of a tree, your arms raised, fingers splayed, forming into the branches of a tree that then stretch skyward, up past the clouds, through the atmosphere, and breaking into the cosmos, where they attach to the celestine grid. You draw this energy back down your branches, the energies of above and below now flowing through you, as they should, in, out, and back again. You are protected and grounded. I'm going to draw the abalone shell down your chakra line, down the front, and now the back. Do this 3 times, down the front and the back. The front and the back. Now the river clamshell. Again 3 times, down your front, and back, front, and the back. And the last front. And back. Draw in some tree coral energy. Scallop shell. citrine, smoky quartz, and some dolomite in the form of an owl. Go around your auric field, selenite wand, sealing you in. I hope you enjoyed this healing. Drink lots of water, go easy with yourself, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, or whenever it is that you watch this. Be well.